So one of the things that you can do inside of SketchUp is utilize the push-pull tool while you're modeling to delete out some sections of shapes as well. Let's say, for example, if I were to go around over here and let me just go around and create a shape. So let's just go ahead and create this rectangular shape right here. If I were to go ahead now onto the push-pull tool, I can go ahead and pull it, and I can go ahead back and let's say, for example, snap it back onto place. And once you do that, you can see that it actually deletes out that particular object. So now this is useful when you're actually going ahead and making complex models. Let's say, for example, I can go ahead right here and let's say, for example, I'm utilizing this rectangular tool and I'm going to go ahead and pull this upwards right here. So let's say I want to go ahead and make a hole in the middle right here. In that case, you can go around over here and then let's say, for example, make around a square right here in the shape. So now what you can do is you can go ahead right here and let's say, for example, utilize the push-pull tool right here, right onto this section just like this until it snaps, and then you can go ahead and click right here and then it actually deletes. So let me just go ahead and try that out again right here. Let me just go ahead right here. And then you can see that it snaps, click, and then you get a hole right here in the middle. So let's say I want to go ahead and add in another shape similarly. So I'm just going to go around over here and let's say, for example, I'm going to go ahead right here and I'm going to go ahead and select out let's say, for example, a circle right here just like this. So let's just go around over here onto the center just like this, click and drag out, and there you go. This is what I have. So now if I were to go ahead and pull this down right here, so let's just go ahead and pull this down, and right on this section you can see that it snaps, and then you actually have a hole right there just like that. So you can see that you can go ahead and then make sure that the faces are together, and then the sections will be deleted, allowing you to go ahead and create complex models just like that in SketchUp. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.